Little baby IQ show!
Hello everyone! So, for today's episode, we are going to unbox another Play-So set. So, it is called Lunchtime Creations. And let's check it out! For this set, it already comes with 5 Play-Doh, white, yellow, pink, green, and purple. And as I can see, there's lots here. We have different kinds of fruits, toast, pizza. So, are you excited to open it up? Let's check it out. This one too. So, let's open what we have here. So, there you go. That's all we have here. We have 5 Play-Doh. And let's open everything up. So, this is the apple one. And this is the pizza maker. Oh, pretty cool. And we got shapes here for the pizza. We got square, circle, and this is our pizza maker. Really cool. So the second one, it's the fruits. So what's the best thing about this Play-Doh set is that you can learn also how to count. Let's check it out. We have your toast here. We have 3 different types of toast. We have one, which is a whole toast, and you can cut the whole toast into into 2 pieces. And the third toast, you can cut it into 4 pieces. That's so cool. After that, we got our different shapes of fruits. So this is the number 2, which is cherry. So you can use this one for your cherry. Oh, I forgot the number 1. Number 1 is a slice. It could be any type of slice. It could be watermelon slice, orange, or lemon. There you go. The 3 is the banana. So that's 3 banana. We got 3 banana here. The 4 is, it looks like a tomato or berries. I think it's a berry. It's a blueberry. It's blueberry. 5 is, obviously it's a grapes. I think it's a grapes. Yeah. Well, you can use the green or purple for this one. So, and the coolest thing is that we have, you can slice any. This is a pizza slicer. So, yeah, and you can form 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pizza for this. Let's check it out. I think this is alright. So after that one, we can have a roller too here. And let's open this one. This one is some kind of ooh, this is actually nice. This is like a tray or a plate where you could put your pizza slices or your fruit slices. And the coolest thing is that we have here some, I'm not sure if this is a cookie or bread. Let's see if it's a cookie or bread. Let's see here. Doesn't tell you though, this one. So, yeah. Well, actually this is a plate. And this could be a cookie or bread anyway. So, let's put here 2 plates. And coolest pizza roller slice. Really cool. And we got 5 different Play-Dohs to play with. We got white, yellow, red, green, and purple. So, that's all for our places, and of course, it's for God. We have this, and we get. Well, it's just things to say about all these Play-Dohs. So that's all for this Play-Doh playset, and let's start the fun. Press here for more fun playlists. Press here for more fun videos. Let's be friends. Press here to subscribe.